So you get this big, humongous box full of millet.
And this is the millet, by the way. What you're dealing with, this is millet from the pet store, what we bought for our conure. This is the millet, and this. So you got a lot of millet in this box. And if you look at it just versus that.
That one doesn't look so good right here.
Yeah, it doesn't look as good, but I'm sure.
But these look good.
I'm sure the millet's fine too, though. It's just.
Right here is store versus this. I mean, it's a lot. And that little guy loves it.
Just ordered this millet off Amazon in bulk. Look how big this millet is. They are going to love this. 5 pounds for like $30-something.